हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू प्राइश एजू। सो स्टूडेंट, आज हम सीखेंगे क्लास 5 ईवीएस पार्ट 1 में जो हमारा 18th चैप्टर है द एनवायरनमेंट एंड अर्थ, जिसमें आज हम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर सीखेंगे जो होंगे आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस, डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली, शॉर्ट नोट्स। तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं आज के हमारे इस वीडियो को। लेकिन इसके पहले स्टूडेंट, मेरी आप सबसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, फॉर मोर वीडियोज, वर्कशीट्स एंड टेस्ट पेपर्स काइंडली विजिट एट www.praisheju.com, जिसकी लिंक हमने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है। तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं आज के हमारे इस वीडियो को। फर्स्ट है आंसर द following questions in one sentence, and the first one is what are open spaces required? And the answer is open spaces are required on a very large scale for agriculture, housing, industry and for building roads and railways. Next one है what is biodiversity park? And the answer is an area which is reserved for the purpose of protecting and conserving the biodiversity of a region is called biodiversity park. In these parks, biodiversity is both preserved and studied. Next one है what is national park? And the answer is some areas which are important for the protection and conservation of wildlife are reserved for them. Next one है what are sanctuaries? And the answer is certain forest areas are reserved for the protection and conservation of a particular animal or plant. Such a reserved area is called a sanctuary. नेक्स्ट वन है नेम एनी 3 नेशनल पार्क्स और सेंचुरीज इन इंडिया। एंड द आंसर इज काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क, द ताडोबा नेशनल पार्क and Radhanagari Sanctuary for bisons are some of the areas that are protected for wildlife. Next question is why do flamingos travel to Mayani Lake? And the answer is flamingos from the Siberia region in northern Asia migrate to Mayani Lake. Here they build nest and lay eggs. Once the baby birds grow big enough, they return with them to Siberia. Next question is a great Indian bustard is called farmer's friend. Why? These birds live in open grasslands. They feed on insect, thus giving protection to crops in the fields. Next one is why our great Indian bustard numbers are fast dwindling? And the answer is as these birds are hunted for their meat and their eggs, their number is fast dwindling. Next question है describe briefly, and the first one is why is deforestation happening? And the answer is the population of the world is now close to 600 crore. Man is developing new technology to meet the needs of all these people and is using up more and more land and water resources for this purpose. Open spaces are required on a large scale for agriculture, housing, industry and for building roads and railways. Forests are cut down to make place for them. Next question है what are the effect of deforestation? And the answer is the environment provides shelter to different kinds of living things. There are many types of plants in forest. Birds build their nest in trees. Animals like bear, deer, monkey, elephant, tiger all live in forest. That is, they find shelter in a forest. All their needs are met in the forest. If forests are reduced, biodiversity is also depleted. Next question है how water pollution is dangerous? And the answer is water sources get polluted if wastewater is let into them without processing. Wastewater is also given out from factories into their surroundings. If water from such polluted sources keeps soaking into the soil becomes infertile. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are used on a large scale for agriculture. They seep into the soil or finally flow into rivers with rainwater. Due to several such reasons, water and soil get polluted. This is dangerous for the plants and animals there. Their number reduces and eventually they die out altogether. That is, they become extinct. Next question है what is the reason to rise in air temperature? And the answer is on the one hand Tremendous quantities of carbon dioxide enter the air due to burning of fuels. On the other hand, due to large scale deforestation, the number of trees available for absorbing this carbon dioxide is dwindling. As a result, the proportion of carbon dioxide in the air is rising continuously. When the proportion of carbon dioxide in the air rises, it leads to rise in temperature. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ देवराई इज अ बोन फॉर ऑल लिविंग क्रिएचर्स? And the answer is the Devrai is an example. People believe that a Devrai is really a jungle reserved for God. No trees or plant in a Devrai is ever cut. That is why all trees in Devrai are safe even today. Maharashtra has many Devrais. In Madhya Pradesh, they are known as Sharanvan. Devrais give shelter not only to the plants but also to the animals that live together. Next question है, why do flamingos migrate to Mayani Lake? And the answer is Mayani Lake has formed due to dam built on the Chand River in Satara district. Flamingos from the Siberia region in northern Asia migrate to this lake. Here they build a nest and lay eggs. Once the baby birds grow big enough, they return with them to Siberia. In the recent past, as the water level in the dam had fallen, the flamingos had stopped coming. However, the lake has now been declared a sanctuary for birds. Next is, who are the Great Indian Bustard? And the answer is the biggest Maldho Great Indian Bustard Sanctuary in Asia is at Nannas in Solapur district. These huge weighty birds are famous for their graceful gait. These birds live in open grasslands. They feed on insects, thus giving protection to crops in the fields. They are the farmers' friends as they are hunted for their meat and their eggs. Their number is fast dwindling. Maharashtra state has declared the Nannas area a sanctuary for the Great Indian Bustard. Next one है, write a short note on, and the first one is, what are the efforts taken to maintain biodiversity? And the answer is biodiversity parks, an area which is reserved for the purpose of protecting and conserving the biodiversity of a region is called biodiversity park. In these parks, biodiversity is both preserved and studied. People visiting such a park enjoy being close to nature. This leads to more concern for nature. National parks. Some areas which are important for the protection and conservation of wildlife are reserved for them. For example, the Kaziranga National Park, the Tadoba National Park. Sanctuaries. Certain forest areas are reserved for the protection and conservation of a particular animal or plant. Such a reserved area is called a sanctuary. For example, the Radhanagari sanctuary for bisons. If the plants on the earth are destroyed, the numbers of animals also fall. That is why it is necessary to protect plants in forest. If deforestation is stopped and instead a tree plantation is stepped up, animals that depend on plants will get protection and thrive. सो स्टूडेंट, ये थे एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर जो हमने आपके लिए तैयार किए थे. तो स्टूडेंट, अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना. सो स्टूडेंट, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.